Sarah and Bethany are off on a very important mission in the middle of the blizzard of February 1st, 2011. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to take the Netflix DVD out to the mailbox. Go!
Go!
It's like 3 foot deep in places.
Here.
Mission complete.